Is Captcha Club a scam or legit? Let's get to the bottom of this, folks. Let me know what you think. Have you tried this? Put it in the comments below. What do you think? If you haven't tried it, I'm going to tell you my thoughts, regardless if you tried it or not, actually. But, you know, this is a website that where you just type captchas into a captcha, and you're supposed to make money. Now, there's 3 different levels of membership you can join. There's a free level where you get 3 cents per captcha, up to paying them $200 a month to get 10 cents a captcha with unlimited. It's kind of crazy. They don't really tell you much on the homepage of their website. I'm not actually going to show their website at all on this blog post or this video today. So I'm just going to talk about it and tell you my thoughts and some of the shadiness of it all and all that kind of stuff. So first of all, here's some big red flags on their website. First of all, the email address at the bottom of the website is called admin@captchaclub.com. I mean, that's so generic. Also, when you sign up, it says please agree to our terms of service and privacy policy, which if you click on those links, there's nothing there. There is no privacy policy. There is no terms of service. That's another big red flag. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Look at this. 85.7% of you are not subscribed to my channel, but yet you're watching these videos. So please subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell to be notified of new videos coming out. I make videos like this all the time about making money online, all this good stuff like that. And don't forget to hit the like button as well. But let's get back into the regular video. First of all, they want you to pay them to sign up if you want to make more money. And the thing is, they pay you out. They say they pay you out after you hit $100. But when the free tier, you can only make $90 a month. And so let's say you do it 2 months, you make $180, basically, they claim. Just to set up a payment system like PayPal or something, for them to pay you, they charge you a $40 fee for them to pay you. So they say it's a one-time fee. I mean, this is absolutely ridiculous, folks. Absolutely insane. I mean, when was the last time you put your PayPal email address into a thing that's for payment, and they said, oh, we're going to charge you $40 to pay you? This is such a bogus piece of nonsense. So there's 3 levels. Like I said, there's the pre-membership. I forget what they pay out for that. And that's $100 a month for you to pay them to be able to do this work and supposedly make, you know, X amount of dollars. I think it's $450 per month. So you're actually making $350 a month. And then there's a premium plus where it's unlimited. You can make as much as you want, and you pay them $200 a month. And like, what are you talking about? Let's see what some other red flags are. I have a blog post here too, by the way, you can take a look at. Just complete bogus. Don't waste your time on this. Look at my other videos online. I have hundreds of other videos of legitimate ways to make money online. That is all for now. Check out the blog post, check out the website, check out some of my other videos, subscribe to the channel. Tell me what you think, guys. If you use this site, put your comments below. I gotta go.